So these are MMATS Monster 12s? 10s, okay. Wow. Nice. This looks really good. About to get a demo. Be sure to give them a like, y'all. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at SkyHigh Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What vehicle is this?
It's a Chrysler 300, 2018.
Okay. Very nice.
Lithium.
Did you build the box?
Oh, yeah.
Huh? Slot port?
Yeah.
So these are MMATS Monster 12s? 10s, okay. Wow. Nice. Yeah. On a Cyber 6K.
6K, yeah. All run to the back. 320 alternator, McMahon, 2K, MMATS sub amp, 6150 MMATS.
Yeah. Looks really good. Kind of see the amp rack too.
Excuse the mess.
This looks really good. About to get a demo. Be sure to give them a like, y'all. What was your name?
Bill.
All right.
North Carolina.
North Carolina. All right. Nice drive down. Do you have an upgraded alternator or stock alt?
It's a McMahon 320.
Okay. Is there a way I can see that too for the video?
Yeah, it's way down in the bottom. I don't know.
I just like to see everything. I'm sorry.
No worries.
Looks really good.
There it is.
There you go. Did you do the big 3 also?
Oh, yeah.
Nice. It's really good.
Yeah, I got to get some more speakers now.
Bigger? Subs or speakers? Subs.
I've got Alpine X's in the doors.
They sound good. Yeah.
That's about the best.
Yes, sir. Really good quality.
Thank you.
I do a lot of YouTube videos on YouTube JacobViral, so I can do the show to do videos all day. So what's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a build system. This was at the Savannah Seaport show in 2022. Finally getting to upload it. Shout out to everybody watching my videos, as well as go ahead and give Bill a like if you haven't already, as well as comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Say some positive things. I really like the way he has his amplifier staged on the back of his seat with his seats down so he gets optimal output. Of course, you may want to consider, if anybody does this kind of install, put some kind of cooling board underneath to allow the amplifiers to vent. Otherwise, they may overheat if you're jamming for long periods of time. For in the trunk, he optimized his space to where he has his dual tenant subwoofer box pushed all the way back against the cabin of the back trunk area. So he has room to be able to put things if he wants in the trunk. I'm assuming that's the way he set it up, with the driver port on the left, be able to put all the pressure out. I feel like when you see the demo, there's a lot of trunk flex in this Chrysler, so he did a really good job of making the sound output go boom for the amount of power he's running on it with your 2000 watt amplifier, but maybe too much pressure's in the trunk and not going into the cabin. You'll see that when we get the demo. But what do y'all do? That's a quick comment for the comment section. Where do y'all put your box? What do you do with your subwoofer box in the trunk? Do you put it all the way against the box like this with the sub facing forward or back? Do you wall it off? What do you do? Looking forward to y'all's comments on that. So anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. We're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. Stay tuned for more videos. Consider subscribing to enjoy daily cardio videos, and let's go.
Niggas just catching on. Taylor, gang, Taylor, gang, Taylor, gang, Taylor, you know I'm ready to you know I'm smoking flavor. Ain't but 100 meter on this smoking flavor. I throw it out some baby, know you still getting it. Pull the back ahead, just a bit of Taylor, Taylor, gang, Taylor, gang, Taylor, gang, Taylor, gang, Taylor, Taylor, gang, Taylor, you know I'm gang, you know I'm smoking flame, ain't no bad country nigga on the smoking. Let the crib with 10 grand for the 100 pair. I'm a coach, I can show you how to be a player. Nowadays, since the fitted bitches love my hair. Anything I wanna wear, they let me in the club. Dress code.
Awesome. Thank you for the demo there, man.
Absolutely, bud.
Yeah, I do a lot of YouTube videos on YouTube JacobViral, so
okay.
Came to the show to do videos all day, so
you got it,
Thank
man.
you for the demo. Good job,
sir.
man. Can I get a trunk picture real quick?
Yeah,
I forgot to take a picture. What vehicle is this?
It's a Chrysler 300 2018.
Okay. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.